Hello, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Sangrila with Ila Anant Acharya, and this is a 30-day free workshop based on the very famous Hawaiian magical miraculous healing forgiveness based prayer, which is known as Ho'oponopono prayer. And thank you so much for all your love, support, appreciation, suggestion, comments. Thank you so much. So we have completed 15 days of this workshop, that is, we have completed up till half of this workshop. Still we have 15 more days, 15 more episodes full of information, what I know about Ho'oponopono prayer, what I know about Ho'oponopono tools, advanced Ho'oponopono tools, some important terms, the fundamentals, everything. So today is day 16, and I would like to share with you that how can you have your own Ho'oponopono tools. Yes, as I told you that Dr. Hewlin has an inspiration. He has an inspiration, and he came with the tool CPOT, that is clean, erase and back to the pot. Okay, and CPOT is widely used, that energized stickers which are available on the website of Dr. Joe Vitale and Dr. Hewlin. That energized stickers are available, and when they are being used for money purpose, for relationship purpose, they are working like magic. Okay, so similarly, some of the tools or some of the phrases has come as an inspiration to Dr. Joe Vitale also, and similar to that, it has been given over here in the articles which I have read, that you can also have your own personal cleaning tool from inspiration, because ultimately Ho'oponopono prayer, its meaning is the cleaning of the memories, the cleaning of the garbage which is there in your subconscious mind, only negative energy, not the positive energy. Positive energy, positive thoughts, positive memories are good for you. They are helping you to live your life very happily, easily, effortlessly. But the problem which are being created is because of the negative energy, bad memories, bad karmas, the karmic connection since the day when you were born till date. So that has been cleaned by the process of the Ho'oponopono prayer, which you do it daily, continuously, consistently. I love you, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you. And after that, you can also add on the Ho'oponopono tools: dewdrop, CPOT, blue solar water, strawberries, blueberries, and many more which I have discussed with you. So over here, before going to the advanced Ho'oponopono tools and prayer, I would like to share with you that you can also have your personal cleaning tool from inspiration, because once the cleaning head start, you are connected to the divinity, and from the divinity comes the inspiration. So they have said over here is that cleaning tool might come to you during a meditation. While you are doing a meditation, cleaning tool, any of the signals, some images might come to you. So for example, for me, the monarch butterfly, that orange one, that regular butterfly, are the universal signal to me, and they are acting as a cleansing tool for me, the butterfly. So I regularly consider that monarch butterfly whenever I see them, because they are very normal, they are very common, they are seen everywhere. But when I see them, that means something good is going to happen to me. I have cleaned on some of my memories, and some manifestations are going to happen. So that is one of my own inspiration tool. Then second inspiration tool is rainbow. Whenever I see a rainbow color, whenever, it is not like that during the monsoon season only, while washing the utensils also, the that foam has been created, and on that bubble, when I see that from the, because of the light and all that, on the bubble I can see the rainbow. While I was playing with my son the bubble game, and all that bubbles, that when they come down and they flow in the air because of the light, this, I can see the rainbow in that bubble. So that all gives me so much signals that yes, something good is going to happen in my life. So for me, rainbow is my own inspirational Ho'oponopono cleansing tool. Then when I see sunflower is, when you have the Ho'oponopono prayer, you can see that sunflower are very nearly connected to the Ho'oponopono tools. In many of the images, in many of the videos also, they have given sunflower as the background, and that can considered as the cleansing tool. Okay, and they are very personal. The sunflower is really very personal, and it has a very personal touch in my life also. So that's why sunflower is a very important cleansing tool, inspirational cleansing tool from me. And there is sun god, whatever is related to sun, I considered it as a Ho'oponopono tool for myself, for my personal cleaning. Okay, so similarly you can have your own personal cleansing Ho'oponopono tool. It can be any of animal, like any particular kind of dog or cat, or some even car, some kind of specific car, some kind of specific like angel or angel numbers, or it can be anything. It depends where it has come from. That is, it should come from your inspiration, not from your ego or not from somewhere else. So they have given over here is that some people find it hard to determine whether that signal has really been a cleansing tool or something that they have made up. So there is one rule over here. It is said that it is best to use the tool and keep asking the divine if this is the correct for you. So if you are seeing something very constantly, some images, some numbers, some name, so at that time you have to ask yourself to the divinity that whether it is a cleaning tool for you or not. And a good rule of thumb is that after 6 yes, that is after constantly asking, and if the divinity is saying yes for 6 times, at 1 you have asked, it is said yes, it is there, 2nd yes, 3rd yes, 4th yes, 5th yes, and 6th, after 6 yes, this is a tool for you to use. That is, it has not been made up, but divinity has given you as from your inspiration. Okay, so that is your personal Ho'oponopono tool which you can use, which you can then have a particular meaning also. For me, if a butterfly is some good news, sunflower is like something, again some very happy thing is going to happen to me. Basically it really means that it is going to give me some good news. I have this common general understanding about my personal cleaning Ho'oponopono tool, and this I am sharing for the first time. This even I have not shared on my Hindi channel, Parivartan Angel Behavior. This is a new thing which I am sharing with you, that you can have your own personal Ho'oponopono cleaning tool. So I think today's video is enough. If you still have any doubt, if you still have any question, please do comment below, and please go and watch my Parivartan Angel Behavior in Hindi language. There I have season 1 to 6 where I have given everything which I know about Ho'oponopono prayer, Ho'oponopono tool, advanced Ho'oponopono prayer in Hindi language. So thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.